Hello plant enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the DIAFIELD Automatic Watering System, your ultimate indoor plant care companion designed for up to 15 potted plants. This innovative system takes the guesswork out of plant hydration with its powerful pump and 33-foot water tube, ensuring your plants receive precise and effortless watering. With its programmable water timer, you can customize watering durations from as short as 5 seconds to as long as 15 minutes, and set the frequency anywhere from every hour to every 30 days, providing unparalleled flexibility to meet your plant's unique needs. The easy-to-assemble kit includes everything you need: a programmer, power adapter, 15 watering stakes, and various connectors, allowing you to tailor your own irrigation system effortlessly. Inspired by the indoor plant nanny, this system ensures your plants thrive whether you're home or away, transforming your space into a lush green oasis. Just remember, it runs on an AC adapter, so make sure it's plugged in, and ensure your water storage is sufficient if you're planning to be away for an extended period. With the DIAFIELD Automatic Watering System, gardening has never been more convenient or efficient, making plant care a breeze and your indoor garden a thriving paradise. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.